Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to build a gas generator. This project requires skill and a solid understanding of how energy conversion works. So let's explore the entire process together. To initiate the process, we will utilize two small, empty canisters to fabricate the reaction solution reservoirs. Following this, we will proceed to attach the copper tubing segments onto the canister lids, aiming to ensure an airtight and effective gas transfer pathway. Thereafter, I will utilize a 12-volt electrical wire to connect to the electrode, screw bond bolt, with the aim of establishing the electrolysis effect. At this point, I will dissolve table salt to form a dilute electrolyte solution, which will then be fed into the reservoirs in preparation for the electrolysis process. Next, we will connect the power source to activate the electrolysis reaction within the reservoir. An important note: for this process, we are utilizing a 12-volt power supply to initiate and sustain the electrolysis reaction. Thereafter, we will integrate a refrigeration compressor unit to increase the pressure and propulsion force of the generated gas flow. And finally, following all our fabrication efforts, I invite you to join me as we activate and witness the device's operational capabilities in a real-world setting. That wraps up today's product. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos.